Hi, so my name is Alani Martinez. I'm going to be an incoming senior at Kofa High School here in Yuma, Arizona. So my two mentors are Dr. Gishan and Dr. Shu, and my research topic focused on genotyping. My overall research question was revolving around what is genotyping and what is the procedure itself. So this question helped my research because it was such a broad question. It helped me obtain more details to include in my presentation and to include my research overall. I wasn't able to go into the lab myself due to the current pandemic that is going on. However, I was still able to receive some videos, helpful videos from my mentor himself, and some pictures of what the whole process was like since I wasn't able to go in the lab. And so those videos and the overall question helped me try to receive more information, and since it was really broad, I was able to keep it more open-minded and include more details into my presentation. Actually able to get the photos from what the experiment looked like, so I was actually able to have my mentors do the experiment itself so I could see it instead of watching videos or just reading about it online. So unfortunately I wasn't able to actually put in a physical contribution by being in the lab, but however I was able to research on the topic and educate myself, and that's how I made the presentation. Because I did miss out on the experience of having a face-to-face lab experience, I did have some personal questions such as how do you write a genotype, what happens if you miss one of the steps in the procedure, and is there such thing as a good genotype and a bad genotype? So the next following pictures are the pictures that my mentor had sent me of the procedure that they did themselves in the lab. Here you can see that the solution is being incubated in the microfuge, I believe. So here you can see that the tail tissue has completely dissolved. I'm not completely sure, but I would assume that this is when the tubes are being cooled down to room temperature. Here you can see the sample after it has been in the vortex, after it has been cooled down and incubated. Here I believe is when the DNA was ready and had been genotyped, so these are the results, I believe.